Hello students, let's count and read. Listen carefully and repeat. Count and read. Count the objects and read the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 robots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 mugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sack of flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candies. Happy learning!